Hi everyone and hi Sir Lara. So at this video, we're here to report our case studies and we are the reporter. I am Abril JD. We also have Sarah Lopez, Coronason Archie, Balibar Jimwell, and Sam Andre.
The key issues and challenges in 105 Healthcare System Information Management System. The 105 Healthcare System faces several major challenges with its own current information management setup. The system struggles with the data interoperability, meaning that different systems and software used within the organization cannot easily communicate with each other, leading to difficulties in accessing complete and unified patient information. There are also concerns regarding data security and privacy. So the outdated technology and fragmented system leave patient information vulnerable to unauthorized access. Moreover, the organization lacks sufficient user training and adaptation, which means staff may not be using the system efficiently. And lastly, the cost of implementation and compliance with regulatory standards also pose significant burdens, making it difficult for the organization to upgrade and maintain a secure and effective information management system.
2. Impact of data inconsistency on patient care data inconsistency. And a decentralized information system can have significant impact on patient care. When patient data is scattered across different systems or contains error, healthcare providers may be prone to misdiagnosis, treatment delay, and unnecessary or redundant testing. This can compromise the quality of care and put patient safety at risk, as healthcare provider might base their decision on incomplete or inaccurate information. So, a centralized and consistent data managed approach is crucial for accurate diagnosis and effective treatment.
When healthcare providers don't have easy access to complete and accurate patient data, it can delay treatment, increase the likelihood of medical errors, and result in fragmented care, as different departments may not be fully aware of patients' medical history or treatment plan. Limited information access also drives up healthcare costs, as it may lead to duplicated tests and procedures. Ultimately, this lack of cohesion can reduce patient safety and hinder the healthcare delivery process, make it essential to have centralized, up-to-date information readily accessible to all providers.
Security measures for the current management system. To protect patient information within the current system, the organization should implement key security measures. These include data encryption, which ensures that data is unreadable to unauthorized individuals. Role-based access control, which limits data access based on job roles to reduce the risk of data breaches, and multi-factor authentication, which provides an added layer of security by requiring multiple forms of verification before accessing sensitive data. These sensitive data, this measure can significantly reduce vulnerabilities in the information management system and enhance patients' data security. To protect patient information, the organization should use data encryption. And para ma-secure naman yung data is role-based access control. Thus, to limit access based on job roles and multi-factor authentication. For added verification, this measure enhance data security and reduce risk.
To improve how to manage information. 105 healthcare system can create a single cloud-based system for storing patient data. This will make sure everyone uses the same format and can easily access up-to-date information. They should also control who can access data based on job roles and use security measures like encryption and backups. By keeping records updated in real time and training staff on the new system, the organization can ensure data is consistent, secure, and easy to access across all facilities.
So for that video, that's all about our case study. Thank you.
Ano yun? Sa gitna. O, so,
Mas ganyan dapat. Mas ganyan. So, hello everyone and hello Sir Lara.
ano? Kayo talaga? Please, salitaan na lang ako pag-ready.
So, at this video, we're going...
Bakit siya kakatawa? Tinig yun.
So, hi everyone and hi Sir Lara. So, si Archie na ano. So, hello everyone and hi Sir Lara.